Hello and welcome back to a new product review. Today, we're diving into the Visage Teeth Whitening Pen. This innovative product offers a convenient solution for at-home teeth whitening, delivering high-quality and effective results. Just 30 seconds of daily application can make a noticeable difference, with over 20 uses per pen, helping you achieve teeth that are 4 to 8 shades lighter. One of the standout features of the Visage pen is its convenience. Unlike bulky teeth whitening kits, this compact pen is travel-friendly and perfect for on-the-go use. It fits easily into your purse or glove compartment, making it a handy companion for quick touch-ups before important events. The precision tip brush ensures that the whitening gel is applied accurately, targeting specific areas to ensure an even and consistent whitening effect. Visage isn't just for personal use, it makes a perfect gift too. Share the joy of a brighter smile with friends and family. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or anniversary, these pens are a thoughtful and practical present. With Visage, you're not just giving a gift, you're giving the confidence of a radiant smile.